Students. So here again we'll discuss about the projection of point, seventh case, that the projection of point in when it is in HP and in front of VP. Now first I will draw the pictorial view. Now in HP and in front of VP. Okay, now this is vertical plane and this is the horizontal plane. This is HP and this is vertical plane. Now point is somewhere here inside HP. This is in HP and at some distance from VP, in front of VP. Okay, suppose this is point C now, uppercase C, it is the actual position. Now when seek from this side, when the viewer is on this side for the front view, okay, its front view will be somewhere here on the XY line. So this is XY line. Okay, its front view will be here on the XY line. So C dash will be somewhere here. And while seeing from this side top view, for the top view, where should be the top view? Now top view here will merge with the actual position. So C, lowercase c and capital C will merge. Now when you have to rotate this HP again as per the rule, clockwise 90 degrees. Okay, rotate HP clockwise 90 degrees. What will happen? Both VP and HP become coplanar but separated by the line, XY line. So this will be your two dimensions now. This is vertical plane, this is XY line, this is horizontal plane. Now C dash is on XY line, you can see C dash here, it is on XY line and C will be below XY when you rotate it. So C will be somewhere here. So whatever distance, suppose now this is 15 mm in front, 15 mm in front of VP and it is inside HP, in HP, the point C is in HP and 15 mm in front of VP. This distance is 15 mm in front of VP. And then what should be this distance? This should be 15 mm. Whatever that distance is, here it is 15 mm, it is to be rotated. This 15 mm distance will be below XY because you have to rotate HP clockwise 90 degrees. Now you get to see. So this is the projection of the point. It is in HP and in front of VP. Now I will show you how to do it with the, on your drawing sheet. Again, step 1 is you need to draw the XY line. So this is XY line and C dash is on XY. So this is C dash and C is below XY line at some distance. It is given there 15 mm. So I am drawing the continuous thin line. This is the projector line. So this is C. Always draw the dot to show the projection of the point. Okay, then dimension line, extension line, you can show the dimensions by putting the arrowheads. So distance is given 15 mm. So I am showing it by using the align system. Okay, I prefer the align system of dimensioning. Now this one is the eighth case. Eighth is projection of the point in HP and behind VP. So this is the eighth one. So what should be its pictorial? I will show you the pictorial view first. Okay, so this is the pictorial view. This is vertical plane, but here you can see it is behind VP. So it will be in the almost in the second quadrant. Okay, in the previous case it was in the first quadrant. So this is second quadrant, you can say. So this is vertical plane, this is horizontal plane, and the point is somewhere here. It is, say point is D in HP, but behind VP. Behind VP, say it is 20 mm behind VP. Okay, now you have to see here for the front view, again as per the rule you have to see it from here, the front view. Okay, and for the top view we have to see it from here. Okay, now you can see the front view. When you see it from here, it will be lying on XY. So this is XY line. So when you project it on the front view, it will be D dash. And when you see it from this side, the top view will be merging. D and capital D will merge. Okay, so it will be, and this is the pictorial view. Now again you have to rotate HP clockwise 90 degree. Rotate HP clockwise 90 degrees. Rotate HP clockwise 90 degrees. Okay, then what will happen? Both HP and VP will merge. Both HP and VP will merge, but D will be on this up above the XY line. D dash will be on XY line. So what will be happening here? I will show you. Okay, now this is XY. Both and HP and VP, they are merging like in the second quadrant. Okay, now D dash will be somewhere here on XY, and D will be here. You have to show here in just above XY line. It is 20 mm, it is given. Okay, so how to show this one on your sheet? Now I will share it. I will tell you how to show. So just draw again XY line, continuous thin, X and Y, and these are D dash is somewhere here on XY line. You can put D dash on anywhere on XY line. Then it is 20 mm above. D is up, this top view is 20 mm above the XY line. So this is the projection, and you can also put the dimension like this. Extension line, then you can put the arrowheads, and this is 20 mm. Now this is the ninth case we have to discuss, the last one. When the projection of the point, you have to show the projection of the point. Projection of point when it is both in both HP and VP. Both HP and VP. When the projection, when the point is in both HP and VP. So where should be its location? When it is both in both HP and VP. So you can show, it can be shown in the pictorial view like this. This is horizontal plane, this is the vertical plane. Now when I say it, point should be both in both HP and VP, where should be it? And it should be lying on this reference line, because only this is in both this line is in both HP and VP. So point will be somewhere here. Suppose this point is E. Okay, actual location. Now while seeing from this side, you get to see the front view. Front view, it will be again lying on XY line. So E dash will be merging with capital E. And while seeing from this side top view, what will happen? Where should be the top view? Again top view will be merging with this capital E. So it will be top view. Now you can show it on your sheet. Again you have to rotate HP clockwise 90 degrees. Rotate HP clockwise 90 degrees. What will happen? You get an XY line. You get an XY line parting VP and HP. So this is VP, this is HP, and then you get a point only here, so it will be E and E dash. Okay, it will be like this. And how to show on your sheet, I will show you. Just to draw the XY line. Okay, so this is XY line. This is the point E. You can show E, E dash, comma, E dash. You have to write as per the standard. Okay, so this is XY line. And this is the projection of the point when the point is in both HP and VP. Thank you.